Oh no. How do you have an oil leak on the transmission? Wow. What? That's so much of... Finally, I have my transmission mount insert for the S4. It arrived and I'm going to fit it on the car today. I've heard good things about this guy. It actually makes a huge difference on the car, but I don't know that until I install this and then drive the car. So the car's already up in the air, jacked it, used my own tools. I didn't want to bore you with that stuff. Then now what's left is to remove the old insert and then fit in the new one. And I've got my tools here already. I've got some, so it's a triple square bolt. So I've got triple square, size is 10 and size 8. And I think I've got 6 and 5. So I'll just have to find out which size actually fits in there. I've got my tools here to remove that stuff. So let me get under there and remove the old parts and fit in the new one. So this is how the stuff actually looks. It's quite nice. Hope you can see it. Okay, so I'm under the car now and I can see the old insert. Let me show you. This is what we're after. This is what we're removing. Then we're going to fit in the new one in its place. So let me get my tools. Let's check what size. This is not good. Looks like my tool is a little bit bigger. Is it though? Cool. All right, let's get this thing off the car. Okay, one down. Another one. This is actually a really quick install. So let's see, because I see there's a bit of oil here, and I just hope that this oil is not coming from the transmission. How do you have an oil leak on the transmission mount insert? That's weird. Okay, so I didn't think there'll be oil coming off here. Okay, this is different. There shouldn't be oil coming out here. Okay, it looks like this oil was just oil residue from the little leak that I had on the transmission. So let's keep going. Let's remove the other one. Let's fit in the new one. So the new one goes over the whole transmission, just like that. Doesn't like that. Oh, that looks nice. The torque spec for this is 20 Newton meters. I'll set that up on my torque wrench here. Okay, so this is installed successfully and I'm happy. It's time for me to get out of under the car and then get this thing down, see if it actually does what it's supposed to do. So yeah, I'm happy with how this is installed. It looks to be sitting nicely. And this is the old insert that came out of the car. It's very dirty with oil, but I think the design is completely different to what the aftermarket one is. So this is the old one. It's going to the bin. The car is finally on the ground and I'm going to take it for a spin now. Already I can pick up the smoothness in the shifts actually. This actually works. This car drives completely different. I'm actually impressed. This is awesome. This is nice. Wow. What? That's so much of a difference. This is actually great. This is awesome. This is like magic. Wow. Such a small part, it actually makes a huge difference. The shifts are so smooth. Like literally, there's no clang, there's no moving back and forth of the transmission. This is nice. This is awesome. No, I'm actually happy. Okay, change down. All of that stuff that used to happen before. So the car used to have like a sort of like going forward when it changes down. But now it's actually smooth. All of that is gone. Now the car actually shifts really nice and smooth. No issues whatsoever. This is great. Wow. For 270 bucks, this is really worth it. Now this is actually good. Now I'm excited. I'm excited. I just want to get on it. Find a nice road, like a stretch of road, and just get on it, just to see actually if there's any difference. Okay, let's give it some gas. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. The little mod for 300 bucks. Those who have B8, B8.5, A4, S4, this is worth it. I'm telling you now. Okay, let me do a change down. What? No, this is awesome. This is nice. What? No, this makes a huge difference. Now we're cooking. Oh, okay. Now everyone, this was worth it. This was worth the money and the weight and everything. With this mod, honestly, it changed how the car performs. It changed how the gearbox works. It's awesome. I love it. It just works. Okay, it's changed down. Oh, sounds nice. No, but really, like it works. I'm actually happy right now. Okay, now I'm going to enjoy this car even more. Yeah, that thing where it would move forward when it changes gears is gone. That was fun. I wasn't expecting that, but this really made a difference. Nah, I love this. Even that, the fact that the gearbox used to jump a lot, especially when I'm parking. Like I'd go to from drive to neutral, and then from neutral to park. Then the revs would jump up and down, but none of that. The gearbox is settled in. Okay. Uh, yeah. No, I'm happy right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because there's tons and tons of content coming soon. And please click on that bell to be notified as soon as a new video goes live, because you don't want to miss out. And I'll catch you guys next time.